line. Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy, baby, woman. Biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy, baby, woman. Yeah, you're the one I want to. Before my liver start.
Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. My name is Linda. Yeah, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for always coming back to me. I really appreciate the love. And so guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I go about creating this makeup look which I have on. So if you want to see how I go about creating this very simple, you know, glam, edgy, but yet still soft makeup look, then please keep on watching this video. And if you're yet subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button below and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video on my channel. So guys, let's just jump right into like the tutorial. Yeah, thank you. So guys, to start out your makeup, you need to prime your skin, and I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. The essence of priming your skin is just to ensure that your makeup stays on all day, and it also helps to control oil. So after I'm done applying that primer all over my face, I'll be going over to applying my foundation, and the foundation which I'll be using is my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Polish Foundation in number 356. So I'm just going to be using that flat foundation brush just to dab that foundation all over my face. I'm using the stippling motion just to ensure that I get maximum coverage. And when it comes to foundation, you pretty want to start from like the center of your face and start to extend like towards like the corners of your face. Like you just want to ensure that you're very careful towards like the corners, like your hairline area. You don't want to apply too much of foundation there, so you don't end up looking like you're wearing a mask. So blending is very, very essential. So next I'm going to be highlighting my face, and I'm using a Colourpop concealer in deep golden and the Elegant Pro concealer in cool tan. I'm mixing both concealer just to ensure that I get like the right highlights for my skin tone. If I was to use just deep golden, it'd be too like it'd be more like my foundation shade. That's why I have to mix it with the cool tan concealer. So after I'm done applying the deep golden concealer, that's a Colourpop concealer, I'm adding the cool tan concealer just on top of it, just so that my highlight is brighter. Wow guys, concealer struggles. Like I've almost exhausted this concealer, but I'm still trying to ensure that I empty the container just to ensure that I don't waste product. So I'm just applying that all over, just on top of the part of my face which I like to highlight. Of course, your under eye area, your cupid's bow, your chin area, and your forehead area. Then I'm reaching for that damp beauty blender sponge just to blend in the concealer in a part of my face which I applied the concealer to. So I'm just carefully just pressing that concealer into my skin so that it gives me like more coverage, and you know, it just blends in really well into like the foundation which I had already used. So we just keep on blending and blending until we have like a really well blended look. For the bridge of my nose, I find that I always like to use like my fingertips to blend the concealer on the bridge of my nose, just so that I don't end up extending it to like the sides of my nose. And then I go back to my beauty blender sponge just to like blend the corners, just so that there are no harsh lines. So after I'm done doing that, I just go back to the beauty blender sponge just to blend all the corners where the concealer and the foundation meets, just so that there are no like, you know, harsh lines and all. So now I'll be reaching for my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup powder just to set the part of my face which I highlighted, my under eye area, my upper lip area, my chin, the bridge of my nose, and also my forehead area. And I always like to go back into the powder just to, you know, apply a lot of the powder to like my brow area, just so that the brow product which I use in filling in my brows stays on all day. Yes. So now I'm done with the Sacha. I'm gonna be reaching for my LA Pride U.S.A contour game palette just to, you know, set the other parts of my face and all. So I'm using that shade right there just to, you know, set my cheekbone area, my forehead area, and I'm also going to be using that other powder right there just to, you know, set just to, you know, blend in the powder on the highlighted part of my face in with the powder on the contoured part of my face. Then I'm going to be using the darkest shade in that Early Pride powder palette just to, you know, contour my cheekbone area. I'm just using that big fan brush just to, you know, define my cheekbone area, and then I'm going over to that small slanted blending brush just to, you know, define the sides of my nose using that powder from my Early Pride powder palette. I'm just carefully just using the powder just to, you know, structure, like, you know, I'm just trying to, like, you know, create the illusion of a very pointed nose. Then next I'm just going to quickly, like, you know, brush my brows and fill them in quickly. I think I've done like 2 eyebrow tutorials on my channel, so if you want to see like an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, you should please check it out. I'm going to put a link to like my brow tutorial up now. So guys, after I'm done with the brows, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Pretty Much eyeshadow palette and that fluffy blending brush right there. I'm using the Cool It eyeshadow. That's the matte eyeshadow from the Pretty Much eyeshadow palette named Cool It. I'm just blending it all around my crease area. Like when it comes to blending around your crease area, you just have to, like, you know, just keep going back and forth, back and forth. And now I'm going over to the Neither Do I matte eyeshadow from that same Pretty Much palette, and I'm blending it on my crease area. Then next I'm going over to that shimmery shade from the palette which is named Yeah Bitch, and I'm using it to highlight like the inner corners of my eyes. Then next I'm going over now just to line my eyes, and I'm using my liquid eyeliner just to, you know, line my upper eyelids. So after I'm done lining like my lids, I tend to like always like to extend that liner to like my tear dot area a bit more. Then next I'll be using my Mabrook extremely soft eyeliner pencil just to line my waterline. So guys, next I'm applying mascara to my lashes just to prep them for the application of false lashes. And most of the products which I'm actually using in this video, I actually sell them on my store, ENL Beauty store. On Instagram it's just simply ENL Beauty. So I'm just applying that Mink lashes down onto my lash line carefully. You can see that stain right there, but don't bother about it. Once you just probably use a Q-tip to wipe it off, it goes off completely. Then next I'm just trying to press on the false lashes in with my natural lashes. Then next I'm done with my eyes. I'm just going to quickly dust off the powder that I still left on my face. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be reaching back to my Early Pride contouring palette, and I'm going to be using the darkest shade right there just to further define my cheek, the hollows of my cheeks. Then using that pink tone blush, I'm just going to be applying a little of that blush like the apples of my cheeks. And after I'm done doing that, I'm just going to quickly go back to the Early Pride palette, the highlighter from that palette, just to highlight like my cheekbone area with using my small fan brush. Just going to quickly highlight both cheekbones. You know, highlighting a cheekbone is really key for me. Like, I love a very good highlight. And I'm also highlighting my cupid's bow area, and I'm also going to highlight like the bridge, like just the tip of, you know, the bridge of my nose right there, using that small shader brush, just highlighting it right there. And I'm also going to use a highlighter from that same palette also just to highlight like my brow bone area, but I'm using the lighter highlight from that palette. So I'm just placing that highlight to like my brow bone area. I'm going to do the same thing too for my other brows. So next I'm just going back to that fluffy blending brush just to further, like, you know, blend the eyeshadows around my crease area just so that everything is very well blended. So next I'm using the Colourpop lip liner in BFF3 just to line my lips. I'm lining my lower lip. After I'm done lining my lower lips, I'm going to be lining like my upper lip area. So for that, like my cupid's bow area, I always try to ensure that I do like a V just to further, like, you know, emphasize the cupid's bow a bit more. So after I'm done lining the lips, I'm just going to just go back and just blend the liners on my lip together just so that it's well blended. and I'll reapply at the areas where there is need for reapplication. Then next I'm going to be reaching for my lip gloss, and I'm actually using Colourpop Verbatim Lip Gloss. I'm just going to apply that to like the center of my lips and then just carefully blend it all over my lip area. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you love like the whole step of me creating this look. And if you like to see more makeup tutorials on my channel, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this look which I created, please let me know in the comment section. And thanks very much for watching this video. And if you get subscribed to my channel, please kindly join the family. Click that subscribe bell below, and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video on my channel. So guys, I need to get out of here. Bye guys, thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Now I like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million